today is the integral of 1 plus x over 1 plus x squared. So we're going to take a little bit of a break from substitution. And I'm going to offer an alternative approach. If you want, go ahead and pause the video and try to do this one with U substitution. Let me know. Come into my office hours and let's talk about it. What I want to do here is I want to use the fact that I can treat this as a common denominator for both 1 and x, giving me, I'm going to go ahead and break this fraction apart. Boom, the integral of 1 over 1 plus x squared plus x over 1 plus x squared. All right. Now that I've done this, I'm going to go ahead and send my integral. Rewrite it here for you below. Integral over 1 plus x over 1 plus x squared dx. What do we see? You should recognize that this one here, this formula. What do we know about this formula? Do we agree? Do we agree? I agree. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that down, giving me so I'm going to deal with this guy here. This guy here. First thing I want to do this in purple. We'll notice we have a little bit of a U situation going on here. This is my U. U is du equals 2x dx, meaning dx equals du over 2x. All right, so you'll see something. So I'm going to continue this up here. You'll notice something here. This is what I was talking about earlier in one of the other videos. X over 1 plus u. And then my dx is du over 2x. And then I have the integral here. All right. So remember, if we remember earlier, I can do a bunch of stuff to the outside as long as I remember to do the opposite to the inside. Oh, I'm pointing, sorry. I can do a bunch of stuff to the inside here, do a bunch of stuff over here, as long as I do the opposite here, right? The inverse of that. No, not inverse, but opposite. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to multiply this x by 2, and then not forgetting my little rule, I'm going to pull it out. I'm going to multiply this, small pen, by 2. 1/2, sorry. Again, if we needed to, we could always cancel these 2 out. But in this case, it lets us cancel these 2 out. Okay, sorry about that. Low power mode interrupted. So what I was saying is, I'm going to go ahead and pull this down, and then we'll go ahead and evaluate it. I have, you know what, we'll do it here for the sake of space. 2 integral 1 over 1 plus u du 2. Eliminated, and so now we just have du. All right. Well, I can take the integral of this if we remember, we can just treat this together as one unit. Or we'll do what is called V substitution. V equals 1 plus U dV equals 1 du, right? Giving me the integral of 1 over U over V dV. Okay, cool. I know this. I can do the integral of 1 over V, and that integral is natural log of V. Absolute value brackets if you want. And then we can't forget that 1/2. Okay, so I'm going to substitute in my V, and then subsequently I'm going to go ahead and skip a step and substitute in my U. So this is really ln 1, sorry, 1 plus x squared. Sorry, there we go. Cool. So I'm going to go ahead and carry that over here so we can see our entire final answer. Let's see. If we look, here we are.